In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Figma Mirror app on Android. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Look for the colorful triangle icon, which is usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying a wide range of apps available for download. This step is crucial because the Google Play Store is the official place to get apps safely and securely. You will be greeted with various recommendations and categories, but your goal is to find the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, you will search for Figma by typing in Figma View Comment Mirror into the search bar. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the bar, but make sure to enter the full name for accurate results. This is important because it ensures that you are looking for the correct app among the many available options. Once you have entered the name, press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. The results will display a list of apps, and the one you want should be at the top. From there, you will need to tap on the app developed by Figma Inc. In this step, ensure that you verify the developer's name to avoid downloading a similar app that may not have the same features or security. The Figma app icon should be recognizable, usually featuring a colorful logo. Once you find it, simply tap on the app icon. This action will bring you to the app's detail page, where you can see more information such as ratings and reviews. Now you will tap the install button to begin the download process. This button is typically green and very clear on the app page. By tapping install, you are signaling your device to download and install the Figma Mirror app. It is important to have a stable internet connection during this step to ensure the download completes without interruptions. As the app downloads, you will see a progress bar indicating how much of the installation is complete. After the installation is finished, you will tap Open to launch the app for the first time. This opens the Figma Mirror app and prepares it for use. You might see a welcome screen or a brief tutorial guiding you through the features. This first-time setup is essential as it familiarizes you with the app's interface and its capabilities. Take a moment to explore any instructions or prompts that appear on the screen. At this point, you will need to sign in with your Figma account. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring that they are correct to avoid any sign-in issues. This step is crucial because only registered users can access their design projects and utilize the app's functionality. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one on the Figma website before continuing. Once you have successfully signed in, you will be ready to start using the app. Next up, you will connect the app to your desktop project. This allows you to preview and mirror your designs in real time. To do this, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the app. This connection is important because it creates a seamless workflow between your designs and your mobile device. You will be able to see changes live as you work, making your design process more efficient and dynamic. With everything set up, you are now ready to use Figma Mirror on your Android device. This powerful app helps you visualize your designs on a mobile screen, ensuring they look perfect before deployment. Enjoy the creative process and remember that practice makes perfect. Your designs will only get better as you use this fantastic tool. Happy designing!